Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. So let's start the video. First of all, update WhatsApp application on your device. If Meta AI option is not available in your device, then update WhatsApp on your device and open WhatsApp. On the top you will see option of Ask Meta AI or search in search box. Here type anything you want to search about it. For example, here I search best Android phones in 2024 and then press on send button. Now Meta AI will show the list of best Android phones in 2024. As you can see that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is on the top in 2024 with details. You can search something else as I search here history of Lady Diana. You can search anything else you want. Meta AI will give you brief detail of your searches. So in this way you can use Meta AI in WhatsApp. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.